Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to check Angular version using CMD. Alright, so first up, make sure that you have installed Angular correctly, okay? Go head over to nodejs.org/download and just go to select Windows. And here, just click on Windows Installer and there'll be a download page. Just wait for it to be downloaded and click on the installer itself. Install it, alright? Follow simple prompts, and once done, you can now go ahead and go to your CMD or command prompt. Just the regular command prompt. Okay, now type in npm install space -g space @angular /CLI @17. Okay, once done, just hit on enter and wait for the process to finish. Or you can go ahead and check the Angular website to check the latest version. Now going back, and here it looks for package funding. Just go ahead and run npm fund, hit on enter, wait for it, and now you can go ahead and type in ng space version. Okay, once that's done, just hit on enter, wait for it to load. But if you got this message, just go ahead and type in maybe yes or no. No, right here. Here we have Angular CLI, this one. Your Node.js version is right here, and the package versions, okay? The architect core schematics in Angular right here. There you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.